Hello and welcome back, fellas. So what we're going to be discussing today is in the end section. Okay, we're going to be talking about how to upgrade your time farm so you don't have to mine. Okay, you learn exactly how to get the farmer assistants that will mine for you even when you are not there, so that you don't end up losing points because having to come back every 4 hours, 5 or 8 hours to click that claim button can be really tiring. So I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your points today. So the AI automatically does this for you. So what you have to do right now is to come over to the end section right here. I'm just going to be as quick as possible because I know time is precious. So we're going to come over to store, right? You see this very one that says store, just click on it and you're going to see farmer assistance right here. Okay, now this is what would be your personal assistance, which will automatically start farming and claiming your rewards for you. But note that this will require a little investment, okay, and that is 1 ton. You have to use 1 ton to purchase this, and you also get 8 tickets for doing this. I'm going to talk about the tickets later on, but this is probably what you need to know. Now there are other plans you can get here, which is to boost your mining reward. Like you can see right here, this very one here says farming booster. You get ×2 of your reward for 1 day. Okay, I won't advise you to get this. I would only say you should after you have upgraded your watch to these very points I am currently in. So to upgrade that, you, of course, I explained this in my previous video. You just have to come over to the blue upgrade button at the top of your screen and you keep upgrading it. And note that you cannot move from one to the last. You have to upgrade them one step at a time. Okay, you have to upgrade one before you move to the next. Okay, and this right here would require I use about 30 million of my time farm token to upgrade this. Okay, and I'm going to upgrade that right now, right in front of you, so you see how this works. Okay, let me see what I have here. I have about 112 million time farm points, so I'm going to click on upgrade right now and scroll down to the very bottom, and I'm going to upgrade this watch right here by clicking on upgrade, and this is going to cost me 30,000 time farm points and claim this every 8 hours. So I'm going to click on upgrade right now and click on upgrade for 30 million. And if we get back to the home screen right now, you can see this is loading up. You can see I now have the maximum watch right here. If I click on upgrade again and scroll down, you can see this watch is called the pump watch, right? And I get ×30 of the tokens for every 8 hours. Now all of these I didn't get from referrals. Actually, I just have about 4 referrals, which one just joined the other day. You can see right here, and they don't even earn me points that much. You can see the little I have gotten from them. All I've gotten right here is what I've done during my spare time. Okay, so to upgrade this right now, so you don't have to mine all the time, you just have to click on N and come over to store. Now, like I said before, you need to have 1 ton to buy the farmer assistance. Okay, so if I click on buy right now, and you can see right here, this is 1 ton. Now this doesn't mean you can't buy the farmer assistance with other options. If I click on this drop down arrow, you're going to see 500 telegram stars right here, not coin, dogs, hamster, and 6 USDT if you decide to go for this. But I think ton is kind of fair, it's kind of on low. If I minimize this right now and come over to my wallet right here, you're going to see that 1 ton is currently worth $3.92. so I think this will be the best option. I don't know about telegram stars, but if you decide to go for telegram stars, then be rest assured that I got you covered. Fragment doesn't work anymore. I've created a video, 2 videos actually, on how to get telegram stars cheap at the same rate as fragments, okay, without having to do any verification at all. I'll leave the link to that video in the description of this video, so you can go there and grab your telegram stars. That's where I usually get my telegram stars from. Okay, but I'm going to be using ton like I said before. And before you do this, make sure you also have the required amount of ton in your wallet, and make sure the wallet you're using to do it is the wallet you connected to your time farm bot. Now this is it. If I click on the wallet section right here, you can see this wallet ends with 61YZ. If I come over to Tonkeeper, you can see it ends with 61YZ. Make sure the ton is in this very wallet, right? And we're good to go. The reason I'm saying this is because it will be easier for them to know you actually did this, right, with the same wallet you connected to the Timefarm app than doing it from another wallet, right? So we're going to go back to the end section and then click on store, and then we're going to click on buy right now, then click on buy again. So this is connecting to the Tonkeeper wallet, and this is showing that we're going to be deducted 1 ton, and this is the network fee, really low. I'm just going to glide or slide this to the very end and enter my passcode real quick. You can see done. Okay, so the transaction is going through and this is loading up here. Please do not leave this page until you get a confirmation that this has propagated. Okay, so this is for the notification that 1 ton has been sent to this very bot, but I'm not going to leave this right now. I'm going to wait here till I see that we have successfully bought the farmer assistant. Okay, now you see you've successfully buy farmer assistant. Okay, and this buy button has now faded, right? If I come over to the home section right now, you can see your farmer assistant is working hard, right? You are farming automatically 247. We don't have to click this mine button anymore. Okay, now this is a wise investment, especially now that ton is not on the high. Now what you need to know is that now before you go on to buy this, I have to say this: whatever I share in this video is only for information purpose. There is no guarantee that you make this money you invested here. So before you do this, make sure you have done your due diligence before you make this monetary decision, right? I will not be held responsible. This is just for information purpose, right? So there's something I'm going to invest in again, so just to see how it works before I go for the higher option, right? Now if I come to the end section and click on store, if you scroll down right here, you're going to see the farming booster. Okay, I'm going to see what this can do, and this would only last for a day. Okay, and the higher plan is what I aim to go for, which would last for 20 days for 3 ton, right? For 30 days for 3 ton. And if that doesn't work, I'm actually going to go for this, which is 1 ton for 3 days. Okay, well, but the 30 days gives you ×4 leverage, and you get to mine this consistently for 30 days. So I'm going to try this one out first, the farming booster, based on what I have in my wallet. If I refresh this right now, you can see it's just $1.3 up there, and then I have about 0.2 tons. So I'm just going to use this just to try this out, right? The farming booster, I'm going to buy this, right, and click on buy with the same wallet. Make sure your Timekeeper wallet is open. I'm going to glide this to the end, and transaction successful. So this is going to automatically redirect us to the Timefarm app. We're just going to wait again to get a successful buy message before we move on. Make sure you see that message before you move on. Don't just exit this and assume this has automatically propagated. So you can see you successfully buy the booster. Okay, so I successfully bought the booster. Let's go to the home screen to see if there's anything there. Okay, you can see right here it says farming booster ×2 is active and 1 day left. So for 25 hours time from creating this very video, I believe this is going to give us double reward, right? This is going to double the reward, and that's more like it. That's more like it. So this is basically what you need to know. As it stands, I am not going to click on the farm button anymore. This is just going to happen automatically. So this is the update I've decided to bring to your notice today. If you haven't connected your wallets, make sure you do so. Very important. So with this, we have come to the end of this very video. If you like the video, leave a like and share for greater exposure. If this is your first time stopping by, like always, make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on to all so you don't get to miss out whenever I create a Timefarm video update. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.